Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to sign up for a online banking account on Tesco Bank. Tesco Bank offers a range of personal banking and insurance products including personal loans, credit cards, car insurance and pet insurance. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a tescobank.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of Tesco Bank. Here you can see the option of register on top right side of your screen. You click on register. Now here for the enrollment in the Tesco Bank, first of all you need to provide the following details. At first you go in for providing your first name. Then go in for providing your surname, that is your last name. Then you go in for providing your date of birth. Then you provide your postcode of your area. Now then you need to go in for choosing your account type by clicking on the drop down menu. You can go with any of this. Then you go in for providing your credit card number. Here after you provide all the details, you scroll to the little down at the marketing section. You need to click on both the checkbox, that is Tesco Stores and Tesco Mobile. Then you go in for providing your email address. Here after you provide all the details, you click on next where you will be moved forward to other process. For that you go in for further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Tesco Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on Tesco Bank. Thank you.